Hello, hola, Privet. Today we're having cabbage rolls. Adding a cup of white rice. Pouring that into a saucepan. Let's go ahead and drizzle in some oil. And salt. Don't forget about the water now. We need a cup and 3/4. Adding that to the saucepan. Set it and forget it for about 20 minutes on medium-high heat. Cut yet yucky part off of the cabbage roll. Place it in a saucepan full of water so that it could boil for 20 minutes and set it on medium-high. We're turning off that white rice because it's ready. I'm turning off the cabbage rolls because those are now boiled and soft. Oh, checking with my knife, and that is a bad idea because we're gonna need that later. Try another method. Here we're gonna cut out the core so that it's easy to deflour and separate. Be very careful, it's hot. Ooh, use a fork, batter, use a fork. These long nails are handy, but you can still feel the burn. Now that they're all separated, let them set to dry. We're gonna work on sauteing our vegetables, but first, let's add some oil and cut the vegetables. Today we're working with our machine and dicing up those carrots, celeries, and onions, adding them to this pan to saute. You'll know they're ready by the color of the onions. Mix them just a bit more. Now let's add some garlic and dill weed. We're adding this towards the end, giving it a little mix, maybe about 2 minutes, and turning it off. Adding it to a large bowl, turning our stove back on, drizzling some oil. We're using the same saucepan and we're gonna cook our ground meat. I'm using turkey. We're gonna season that with the blend, salt, pepper, and garlic. Can't go wrong. And of course, we're gonna need our dill weed. Go heavy on that one. Chop, chop, chop. Get it all the way down to the bottom. Make sure it's equally separated because we're gonna mix them all together soon. Here's our rice. We're gonna cut that in half and only use half. So put the rest away for another dinner. Add some mayonnaise and mix it all up. Here's our turkey. We're gonna make sure it's evenly cooked throughout. That's right, add it to the mix and mix it all up. Pack of proteins and vitamins and carbohydrates. Get your saucepan ready again and your baking sheet. Preheat your oven at 425. Cut out this vein right down the center of your cabbage roll and be careful, don't cut too deep or yourself. Pack them up, roll them up, and fry them up. This is gonna add extra texture and flavor. Add it to your baking sheet inside the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Ooh, they look so yummy. And they are. Enjoy. Adios. Paka paka. Ciao. I'll see you next time. Bon appetit.